Good evening! Welcome to Friday's video. Friday the 6th of May. 6th. I'm Burwell. These are my new glasses. And yes, there is a microphone in my pants, but I'm still not happy to see you. So this week it's my turn to choose a topic for the next week. This is videos. And I can tell you, I've got some exciting stuff in store. So the topic for this week's video, as I had previously stated to both James and Ollie, the gingers. Now Ollie just spoke to me in MSN, ruining this scene. This week's topic is going to focus more on learning about ourselves as individuals. And to do this, I've been a blatant cheat and thief. I'm sure you're all familiar with the teen angst website Tumblr. Recently, I answered a list of questions that's meant to get to know you. And yeah, I'm going to select some of those and just, tell you to do them in a video. Because I can choose whatever I want to do, apparently, so get to it. You can find your mission then in the box below.